Welcome to this practice. We're going to use the given information to find the missing length of BC. The first question says, given AB to BC equals AE to ED. All right, let's plug in what we have. I'm going to use the space here. AB is 6. BC, we don't know. We say that's X. AE is 12. And ED is 4. You definitely can start to simplify here. There are just different ways to do that. Whichever is your favorite way, you can simplify first, or you can say, let's look at what happened from 6 to 12. 6 must have multiplied the quantity, and 6, I know 6 times 2 become 12. Therefore, X must times 2 become 4. What number times 2 is 4? The missing number is 2. You can do this, or you can say, let me practice my cross product. Okay? All right, let's practice cross product. We're going to multiply 12 times X. The product of means is always equals the product of extremes equals 6 times 4. Practice simplify here, okay? All right, you don't have to, but remember, always more than one way to solve a problem. So 12 is 2 times 6. All right, did you see you have a left 6, right 6? Left side, right side. Okay, divide by 6, divide by 6. Now, 2 times X is 4. X is 2. Okay, you see different ways to solve a problem. Have fun, enjoy. Next one, we have one more problem here. The given information is exactly the same. It's right here. It's also given this. All right, let's plug in what we have. AB, we have AB. AB is 12. BC, we don't know, we call it X. Equals AE. AE is given. And ED. ED is here. We don't know yet, but we're going to find out immediately because AD is 33. Oh, excuse me. Did not mean to erase it right here. 33. Now, 33 minus 18. So AD minus AE, that's ED. 33 minus 18, that gives us 15. Okay? All right. You definitely can simplify this first. You can simplify this part first. If you don't want to, you don't have to. We just do cross multiplication. 18 times X is 12 times 15. Let's practice our simplifying here. 18 is 3 times 6 times X. 12 is 2 times 6. 15 is 3 times 5. Let's see how many we can simplify here. And 3, you're gone. 6, you're gone. Oh, that's good. Almost there. Change the color. X is 2 times 5. X is 10. X is 10, which means BC is 10. So BC is 10, and previously BC is 2. That's it. Happy learning.